Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Figma versus Axure. We'll explore their core functionalities, helping you understand which tool best suits your design workflow. Figma, a cloud-based platform, shines in collaborative UI/UX design, while Axure RP, a powerful desktop application, specializes in high-fidelity prototyping and detailed specifications. Both empower designers to craft interactive experiences, but they approach the design process from distinct perspectives, offering unique advantages for different project needs. When it comes to collaboration, Figma truly stands out with its real-time, multi-user editing directly within your browser, fostering seamless teamwork. Axure, on the other hand, offers incredibly robust conditional logic and dynamic content, allowing for the creation of highly complex and interactive prototypes. Figma excels in managing design systems and component libraries, while Axure provides detailed documentation and developer handoff through its generated specifications, making it a powerhouse for intricate projects. Considering the learning curve, Figma is generally more accessible, making it a fantastic choice for designers new to the field. Axure, with its extensive features and advanced functionalities, typically requires a greater time investment to master. Figma benefits from a vibrant plugin ecosystem and a large, active community, offering abundant resources. Axure, however, integrates seamlessly with many enterprise tools and provides comprehensive support, catering to more specialized and large-scale development environments. Figma is an excellent choice for collaborative UI design, rapid prototyping, and building scalable design systems, especially for teams. Axure is often preferred for complex enterprise applications that demand highly detailed specifications and intricate interactions. Regarding cost, Figma offers a generous free starter plan and various tiered subscriptions for teams. Axure provides a 30-day free trial and flexible licensing options, including both perpetual and subscription models, to fit different organizational needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.